I have some leftover buffalo chicken wing dip, and today for lunch I'm going to be making some buffalo chicken wing dip grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to butter it up real nice. I already have some butter on one side of the bread, so I can, this is nice buttery. I can do this, and I can do that. Alright. So I want my toast nice and buttery. I got this on high. I'm going to put it down to medium because I don't need to burn the butter, and I don't need to burn my bread. I'm going to make it extra gooey with a little bit of mozzarella cheese and a little bit of extra cheese or cheddar cheese, and then throw my my wing dip, which is nice and cheesy, right in the middle. Keep moving this around so it's got lots of butter. Best thing about grilled cheese sandwiches is that they're buttery. They're buttery goodness. You can use any kind of bread you want for this. This is a whole wheat. Okay, looks like we got our one side of the bread is nice and toasted. So let's go ahead, put some more butter down, and flip it. Oh, that looks great. Go ahead, flip this side. All right, move it around a little bit. I'm going to put just a little bit of cheddar cheese. And a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And we have some, this has been heated up in the microwave, so we got our chicken wing dip. Throw that right on top. And spread that around. We'll get that squished in there when we put them together. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Flip this over. Oh, that looks great. That side looks good. This side we could use a little bit more. I like that. Throw a little more butter down. There we go. Get that side nice and buttery. Put a little more butter down. Get that side nice and buttery. That should do it for the butter. Oh boy, that smells delicious. Turn it off. Looks great. Put it on our plate. Take our knife. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at this. This is our buffalo chicken wing dip grilled cheese sandwich, and the cheese is just gooing out everywhere. Oh my god, it's so good. You can see it's just gooing right out of there. Look at that cheese. Put it right back on the toast. Go ahead and look for my recipe on how to make this buffalo chicken wing dip, and then with the leftovers, these sandwiches are unbelievable. They're so good.